Okay, let's start. If we are going to Japan under SSW visa, we should complete 3 exams. I don't know other category. In caregiver, in nursing care, we should complete 3 exams. First one is JFT, Japanese Foundation Test. The second one is or JLPT N4. The second one is nursing care skill test. It can be we can write it English or Japanese or maybe other languages. The next one is we are going to today learning nursing care Japanese language. Okay, let's start. Part of the body, part of our body from Japanese. 体の言葉、言葉。読み方、頭、head. Next one. 額、forehead. You know what is meaning of forehead? Next one. 目、eye. Look at also kanji. This is the eye kanji. Megashira, inner corner of the eye. Mejiri, outer corner of the eye. Mimi, ear. Hana, nose. Kuchi, mouth. Kuchibiru, lip. Ago, chin. Kubi, neck. Nodo, throat. Waki, armpit. Ude, arm. Hiji, elbow. Koshi, lower back. Tekubi, wrist. Tenohira, palm. This is the kanji of te, hand. Palm means this one. Look at this. 18. Tenohira. 18. Okay. Yubi, fingers. Yubisaki, fingertips, toe tips. Tenoko, back of the hand. Ashikubi, ankle. Ankle means this is the ankle. Ashikubi, ankle. Ashi means leg. And kubi means neck. Ashikubi, ankle. Okay, next one, ashikubi. Sumasaki, toe. Kata, shoulder. Penaka, back. Mune, chest. Denbu, shiri, buttocks, hips. This is important word, denbu, shiri. Hara, abdomen, belly. Next one. Knee. Knee means hiza. Next one. Kakato. heel. Next one, sokutei, ashino ura. It means bottom part of the foot, sole. What is the meaning of sole? Let's figure out. Sole, this sole. Okay, bottom part of the foot. Okay, next one. Cow iro. Cow means uh, face. Iro, iro means colors. Cow iro means complexion. Kansoku, affected side. Kensoku, unaffected side. Kenko, health. Taicho, physical condition. Final one, Baitaru, sign. Vital sign. Vital signs mean blood pressure, breath, Baitaru sign. In positions, let's figure out position.簡単な言葉ですね。仰向け also said gyogai means supine position, also said dorsal position, lying position, the lying on one's back. It's this one. Aomuke. Okay. Next one, aomuke, also said gyogai. Next one, yokomuke, sokugai, lateral position, lying on one side. Lateral means yokomuke. This, she is in lateral position. Next, sokugai, prone position, lying on one's stomach. Okay, look at this is Utsubuse. Am I right to spell it? Utsubuse. Yes, this is Utsubuse. It means prone position. Fukugai. Next one. Tansai. Position in which the person sits on the edge of the bed with her legs down. Okay. This position, right? She is sitting on the bed edge. What is the name we call for that? Tansai. Next one, Izai, chair sitting position. Ritsui, standing position. Tai, position. What's the meaning of position? Tai. Tai hen. Tai hen kan. Reposition. Tai hen kan. Shisei, posture. Next one we learn about Byogi. Okay, let's figure out. Kaisen, scabies. Kaisen means what's the meaning of kaisen? Yes, like small rash. Okay. Kase, cold or not. All I know about cold. Koketsu atsu sho. Koketsu atsu sho. Hyper, hypertension. What is the meaning of hypertension? No, the blood pressure, right? Yes, the blood pressure. Hypertension is blood pressure. Shokushu means food. Doku, poison. Food poisoning. Ninchisho, dementia. All know about dementia, loss the memory. Okay. Next one, Nechusho, heart stroke. Heart stroke. You know what is the meaning of heart stroke? Like blood vessel clogged in the heart and getting stroke, like that thing. The next one is high end pneumonia. Hakunai show cataract. This white cast on eye. Next one. Shoujo means symptoms. Kotoba. Aruragi, allergy. Itai, hurt. Next one. Oto, vomiting. Katamahi, hemiplegia. Ichi, kaoi, ichi. Sa, kisu, injury. Kurushi, painful, the pain. Geri, diarrhea. Koshoku, contracture. The contraction. Okay. Kosetsu, fracture, bone fracture. Damage the bone. Next one. Shibireru, feel numb. Shoketsu, right? Shoketsu means bleeding. Next one. Shoujo, symptom. Next one. Jokuso, pressure ulcers, bed sores. I think you know about pressure ulcers. If you don't know, quick search in the Google about bed sores. If the patient long time in the bed, getting pressure ulcers on buttocks or bacteria, okay, it can be happen. Next one, seki. We all know about cough. Tatsusui, dasui, dehydration. Hakike, nausea. Hatsunetsu, fever. We all know about fever. Next one, Hatsukan, perspiration, sweating. We know about sweating. Next one, Hareru, the swallow. Benti, constipation. Hot, hotsa, 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 seizu. What is the meaning of seizu? In in our brain. Yes, it is memory loss or something. Says Hakan, respiration severity. Okay, next one. Mukamu, swell. Next one. Memai, dizziness. We all know about dizziness. Okay, today's lesson over. Please subscribe me for more lessons like that.